You know, there's nothing I like more than a quirky little crossover, and Nissan has brought me out here to beautiful, sunny San Diego to experience its latest cute ute, the 2018 Nissan Kicks. But you know, it takes a little bit more than just some funky sheet metal to impress this gal, so let's hit the road and see what this baby can do. The Kicks was designed in conjunction with Nissan North America and get this, Nissan Brazil. I know, how cool is that? Now you see a lot of the North American influence in the V-Motion grille in the front, some of the color choices. You can go to the color studio and get some cool custom colored accessories, but in the back, it is all Brazilian. Oh yeah, those taillights, those are definitely Brazilian taillights. They have a design for sure. Inside, Nissan's given me the zero gravity seats, which I love. They are super, super comfortable. Design-wise, I mean, it's pretty good. I don't really like this door panel here. There's a lot of proportion issues that are going on. I do wish there was a little bit more storage nooks and crannies. There's no center console, so there's not a lot of places to put stuff. And while you might think that this replaces the Juke, after all, the Juke was killed in 2017. Here we are, 2018, with this new Nissan Kicks. Not so much. I mean, sure, this really does appeal to a younger market, but in terms of power, the Juke was way up on numbers. This guy, out of a 1.6 liter engine, 125 horsepower and 115 pound-feet of torque. When I first read those numbers, I thought, oh, this is gonna be so slow, like torture. But it only weighs 2,600 pounds. I mean, it's not gonna win any drag races, but neither is it a turtle. Power gets down to the front wheels through a continuously variable transmission, and no, there's no all-wheel drive available. Now, CVTs aren't really my favorite kind of transmission, but Nissan has done a really good job at making it behave a little bit more like a traditional automatic. You actually get a vague feel of shifting. But one thing that it's really good for is gas mileage. The Kicks gets an EPA fuel rating of 31 in the city, 36 on the highway, and 33 combined. And when you're out here on the back roads, I mean, come on, this is a $20,000 vehicle. It's not gonna drive like a Porsche, but it's not that bad. I mean, the steering's got a nice weight to it. There's not a lot of feel, but it really does return back to center quite well. And since this is an entry-level vehicle, you're gonna get some entry-level tech as well. The good news is that standard across all trim lines is a 7-inch color touchscreen, but Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are not available on the base model. Still, I'm really glad Nissan's finally getting on the Apple CarPlay bandwagon. Yes, thank you. Blind spot monitoring is also not available on the base trim line, but across everything, you do get emergency braking. The 2018 Nissan Kicks is available now, and it starts at about $18,000. But you're probably gonna end up spending closer to $20,000. I mean, this guy that I've been running around in all day with all the bells and whistles, it's about $23,000. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. We've got all your favorite roadshow personalities here. Me, Antoine Croc, Brian Cooley, everyone is here, so be sure to subscribe to catch up on all our videos.